Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you FE Unleashed Free Sales Machine review. So what actually is FE Unleashed Free Sales Machine? Guys, FE Unleashed Free Sales Machine is a free funnel builder that is best suited for small businesses who aim to make a profit instantly. This free funnel building machine is loaded with multiple exciting features that add to its versatility. You can use this free tool to get free web traffic to your business website without paying a single penny. How actually works this product? 3 fast steps to real autopilot results and 3 simple steps to works this product actually, guys. And FE, that means finally enough. Okay, the step number 1, get your link. Grab a link from our members area. We show you exactly where to get it with the step-by-step videos. Guys, I'm going to show you step-by-step all the information about this product, FE Unleashed Free Sales Machine. I'm going to show the marketplace report, how many sales got this product and refund rate and all other info that no one can share with you. Okay guys, so please don't skip this video. Please don't skip this video, okay? Because this is very powerful product and life changing product. That's why I'm just alert you. Okay guys, and step number 2, one click download funnels. Follow the instructions, generate your sales machine funnel in one click. And step number 3, the final step of this product, make sales. Start raking up sales with monthly residual earnings while you also learn advanced marketing tactics to achieve a snowball effect in your business. Guys, they will provide a step-by-step training inside the members area how you can make money easily. Right now, I'm going to show you guys the marketplace report that I'm going to show you all other information. Okay, so let's see the marketplace report. This is the Warrior Plus product, guys. Here is, you can see the Warrior Plus logo, and here is the marketplace report, guys, that I'm going to show you right now that no one can share with you. And here is, you can see 50,000 plus sales already got this product, and creator of this product, Mark Hayden and AJ Simon. Okay guys, and 24% conversion rate, 0% refund rate. Also, this product have lots of OTOs, guys. OTO price is $17, $47, $106, and $497. This is the all the OTOs price of this product that you can see the back end, the members area when you purchase only this front end offer, guys. Okay, and front end offer is 100% free. That means this product is right now 100% free. Okay guys, if you want to upgrade, and that is your wish. Okay, what you want. At first, you can access, you can buy the front end offer. This is totally free, no need to credit card, guys. Okay, and here is, you can see, guys, the refund rate is 0. I am just reloaded for belief purpose. You can see this is 100% legit information that I've already shown you. Okay, the secret of making money online is the combination of having a good product with a trending, irresistible offer, a quick delivery method, a professional sales panel, and recurring payment system. With these high converting panels, you will get all this ready for you to start running your online business and make sales as soon as today. Today, we will hand you everything you need to get started with a complete online digital marketing business and all the tools you need, guys. Okay, here is, you can see the real proof for yourself. Don't just take our word for it. Look at this real people getting real results from our sales machine. Turn up your speakers. Okay, this is the real 100% legit information they actually share, guys. Okay, and this product is 100% legit. You can purchase it. Why I claim this product is 100% legit? You can see the region. Okay, and this is the creator is a Simon and Mark Hayden, the creator. They actually share their secrets. You can also watch this video. They actually make this type of money every single day, guys. Yesterday, today, and this week, $3,000. Okay, join today and get these insane bonuses valued at over $4,491. The bonus number one, done for you high converting sales panels. Bonus number two, complete step-by-step video training on setup. Bonus number three, private exclusive Facebook group. Bonus number four, top secret affiliate Facebook training. Bonus number five, access to their high converting exclusive traffic to send your panel and start making sales. Guys, if you want to really make money from online, this free product FE Unleashed Sales Machine is for you. You will have immediate access to, if you purchase the front end offer, high converting evergreen sales machine 100% automated. This is 100% free also. A special training for your new business, how to get organic traffic training, how to get paid traffic training, how to scale your business income training, how to create a solid and lasting affiliate business training, the suggestion of action you should take every day to constantly generate sales and income. They actually share all the information with you, how you can make money, guys. Okay, so if you want to really make money online, if you're a serious person, if you are struggling to make money from online, then this product is for you. The most complete and powerful package of tools and training for you to start making money today. Click the button below, guys. Okay, just a link in my video description below. Okay, I think you fully understand about this product, guys. This is the combined product, like video trainings and software. This is the combined product they will provide. Okay, and this product have lots of upsells. I already shared this information, guys. Okay, the front end offer is 100% free, but upsells is paid. They will when you purchase upsells, you guys pay first. Okay, I hope guys you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and share this video with your friends and family who actually struggling to generate money from online. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, my friend. Please subscribe to my channel. Stay safe. Thank you. See you soon my next video.